Welcome back students to my channel Let's Learn Science with Ruchi. As you can see, I have not written any topic on the board behind me. So I'm here to just have a little bit talk with you with the recent issues that we are facing in June month, especially. The one is the China war, fight on the LOC, on the border with India and China, and another one that is inside issue of our country, and the biggest one that is needed to be talked, okay, and that is SSR suicide. I know you all had already know about it so much, how much talented Sushant Singh Rajput was, and how people treated him, and what I just want to ask you, what you must have come up with all the stuff, nepotism, Bollywood, struggle, Karan Johar and all that. But I just want to ask you some questions about it. Does making a suicide make a sense? Does committing a suicide make a sense? It's just a moment that you feel that life is beyond my control. I can't control things in my life. But I think that you should have a friend. You should have a true friend in your life that you can communicate all your feelings to that person. Whatever the person, that person may be your mother, maybe your sister, maybe your brother, or a close friend, or a neighbor, anyone that could be. Or you could also be a person to someone he or she can trust to share his feelings or his or her feelings. So I think, and there is a need that you have, and you should have a friend, so-called friend, to whatever the relationship you will have with whether it is your cousin or your sister or your brother or your mother, anyone. You should have a friend that you can tell all your whatever the thoughts inside your brain is going on to, or whatever the feelings hurting here in your heart to. You just have to bring it out. Until and unless you don't bring out whatever the stuff you have in your heart, it always gets you, it always irritates you, it always scores your heart again and again. Okay, it always kills you inside. Have a friend in your life. And so many things. Don't ever thought of committing a suicide. First thing, don't ever thought of committing a suicide. You just need, why would you think of committing a suicide? You just have to think before that, why should I commit a suicide? Would ending my life is the solution to my problems? No, the problems will not end, but it will reveal this thing, that your parents raised you, trusted you, and showed faith in you that you will bring something great to. Okay, no matter whatever you do, but they still believe in you and they'll still support you. And if you end up your life, their all energy, all their efforts will ruin up. It will just give them a big zero. I am not talking about here achievements, about the ranks, about the whatever the pressure you feel, but you do need to share all your feelings to at least one person in your life. It's very important these days, as social media is so powerful. Everybody want show up his achievements and show up. Now the younger generation, I see so many of the students, younger generation, they are on Instagram, they are on YouTube, they are on so many social media platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp. They show up, and other people also show up. Look at this, how much likes I have got on my this photo. Does it really matters? Does it really matters in your life how many likes you get? Tell me, does it really matters? What matters is how happy you were during that moment that really made you smile. Really, I know you. There is a fine difference between a happy smile, a real smile, and a fake one. I am too active on so many of the social media accounts, and I see people's fake smile. I don't find any real smile there. Then the real ones then I see in schools, on the faces of my children's, on my students. Children smile really happy because they are real. Huh? So the people and the message I want to convey to all you students is that you should have first of all, you should have a friend in your life. Second is, make your mind clear. Think positive. Do meditation. Wake up early. Don't waste your time on social media accounts. Fix your time to each and every activity of your day. For example, I have to wake up at 6 o'clock. I will be freshen up by 7 o'clock. I will take whatever the daily morning routine that I do till 7 o'clock. Then I will do meditate. Then I will take bath. Then I will do worship. Then I will do gratitude to God for giving me such a wonderful life. And I'm not ever going to put a full stop on it. Remember one thing, students, life is all about ups and downs. It is never balanced. All what we can do is we just can get with the flow, or try to bring out ourselves with the ups and downs. Okay, we have to balance ourselves. What is me? Why I am on the earth as born as Ruchi? What's my purpose of life? My purpose of life is to teach students. For that I am made of. Okay, that's my purpose of life, and I am here. As I can't interact with the students because the schools are locked down, so I am interacting my students with this platform called YouTube. I really just can't live without teaching. These 2 months really made me so, I missed my school days a lot. And I want to go again to my classrooms with students, with my normal life that I had. I really miss you, students. So, stay healthy at your home. Be positive in your life. Have a friend. Help your parents in their daily course. Try to listen to them, whatever they say, because it's really a critical time we all are facing. We all are facing really a critical time in respect of everything, whether health, whether money, whether society. We are facing a really critical situation, and I think that this critical situation will bring in us our true self, because we have enough time to talk to ourselves and our family. You people are wasting 8 to 14 hours. I saw this news in the newspaper that youngsters are wasting their 8 to 10 hours watching Netflix, watching movies. You watch them. There is no bad thing in watching movies and web series, but do clear with whatever you are putting in your brain. Whatever we watch, whatever we read, it makes thoughts in our mind. Be clear with that. Be positive. If you are fond of reading, do read some positive books. If you are reading some novels, okay, novels reading is not a bad habit. Even I also read novels. My hobby is reading, so I also read books. I don't find recently in the lockdown I didn't find any text, any PDF book, so I downloaded it in my internet, and I just went through reading it online. That was me. Let it be. Let it be, and be positive in your life. Whatever the circumstances come, never give up. Giving up your life is just is not the right solution to the problems. You may leave the society and move somewhere else. You may get support from your friend, from your family. Just let them know whatever the situation you are facing. And again, if you fail, stand up again, cry. Let your emotions come out through your tears. Let your emotions come out through tears. Have a shoulder, cry on it, and just move on it. Because giving your life is not the solution to any problem. Each and every person faces so many problems in our life, whether it's huge personality or a normal person. He or she really faces so much of a struggle or difficulties in making both and needs. He really faces a lot of problem. And you should try to help your parents also, understand also. They also need cozy support from you people. Because you are children, and you are their best support. They are making all this stuff for you people. They are making both ends meet for you, earning bread, educating you, helping you succeed, getting you much of the best equipments, facilities, whatever the stuff you need. They make it possible for you people, and it's our responsibility to make them feel comfortable, and make them feel that yes, we are behind you. Never ever think of committing a suicide. And with this positive outlook, me, Ruchi Chaudhary, and my students will fight for life. Promises, students, we will fight for life, and we will never give up. Even though the situations are critical, we are supporting each other, right? So thank you, students, and share my video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Next video is coming soon. Maybe tomorrow I will upload another video. Thank you.